right. Thor's up giving it. Let's see the Thor. What do you guys think, Boo? I like you guys already. We're gonna get along just fine.
Nuka, new car. That was pretty good. All right, guys. So the way this works is you pick the winner.
Nuka, make the list. Boo that man.
Yeah, boom, guys. He's gotta hit. He's gotta get on the gas. Oh, Brian.
He gave you a thumbs up. Oh,
Brian.
crash test.
Brian.
Crash test.
Brian.
Crash test.
Does crash test make the list? Yeah. That was last week's winner. He's trying to go for a twofer.
He's got a good start.
Oh, Lightning McQueen.
That's adorable.
You don't want to hurt his car.
No, boo.
All right, guys, what do we got here? We got a Jeep.
Is that Hulk?
I don't think so.
No, it's not. All right.
All right. On the list, guys.
Jeep
No.
power.
All right.
No.
Okay. We only have one on the list, by the way.
Yeah.
We're going to need some more cars. What do we have here, Brian?
Oh, come on. That's 007.
007. I can't see it from here. He's up, guys. He's up. He's driving it. He's driving it. He's driving it. Look at him go. He's been practicing. Put your hands together, 007.
That was very impressive.
What do you guys think? 07 on the list? Yeah. I would agree with that.
On the list.
All right. All right, Nick at Night, his biggest competitor. Nick at Night is up. He's up. He's up. He's driving it. Oh!
Gotcha.
Into the fire.
Does it make the list?
Nick at Night. All right, Nick at Night on the list, Brian. Oh, what's going on here, Brian? What is that? What is that?
I think it's a swing of this.
Thor, you missed the ramp.
Just a minute. All right, we got a couple. At least Crash Test 007, Nick and Night, all on the list as of now.
Excellent. Three on the list. Here we go. He's giving it some gas. Oh! On the list? No, I don't think so, guys. On the list? Oh, I got a lot of thumbs up over here. We don't know the name of them.
Squiggles.
Put them on the list, Brian.
Meanwhile, Boo.
All right, Dark Duck on the list, guys. Oh, Soldier 4 on the list. No? All right, that's cool. Nuka.
Nuka.
On the list? All right, fair enough. Here we go. What was that? I'm not even gonna ask. Yes, Boo. Boo, they want to hear you. 99, 007, guys. He is up. Good speed. Nick at Night right behind him. Look at that. Nick at Night's up. Oh. That was pretty cool. They're already on the list, but that was pretty good.
Gotta put in those efforts. You gotta get more on there. Right now, they're competing. Crash Test is gonna make another run of it, it looks like, too.
Second turn. He's up. What do you guys think on the list? 7-Eleven? No. Thor! What do you guys think? You want to see Thor on the list? Yeah, let's add Thor, Brian.
Todd.
Wow. That was the biggest air I think I've ever seen.
He totally went.
That was cool. All right, off goes Crash Test. Here he goes.
Apparently the PT Cruiser is the safest car imaginable. Give it up for that. How it,
That was pretty cool, Brian.
that
Did you guys get that on the camera? I had fun. That was pretty cool.
That was 2 full.
Throw that up on the social medias.
That was 2 full ones each time. I don't know how he came around and landed that last one.
You better dance. Let's make a night.
What do you guys think? You want them on the list? On the list? No, that's not enough.
That was not work.
Jeep, he's up. No, not bad. Good effort.
Jeep power.
But no. We're running him on the ramp.
Oh, they're squiggles.
Oh.
That's squiggles.
Yeah, you already took him off the list, though. We're not adding him back. All right, Firefly. Woo! All right, here comes the light guy, I think.
A grass monkey.
Oh, they're doubling up. And the brass monkey. Yeah, boo. I agree.
Oh, come on.
Not even on the left.
I like the trying it, but come on.
Yeah, all right. We got Nick at Night. Nick at Night is up. Good speed, Brian. And he is down. Already on the list, though. Good run, Nick at Night. Let's see if you can get in there one more shot.
Start booing this guy already. I'm sorry. This is horrible.
Start booing.
Boo.
Foul play, all right.
Just going over like a speed bump, he looks like.
Terrible. Terrible.
I'm going to get you psyched up. I got C007, so we're already getting ready for him.
This is Car Wars, Brian. We need flip overs and fast driving. Nice. Nice. Good effort. What do you guys think?
Toy
Soldier. Okay. All right.
Expect more.
Okay.
Hey, here comes 007.
007 on the ramp. He's up. He's up.
Nick at Night coming right back.
Nick at Night. Nick at Night's up. Oh, just cut it. All right.
I'm still pretty impressed of jumping a street bike on a ramp.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. That's some trucks right there.
Oh, team effort. Hey!
Not bad.
A stalled car. That was pretty good.
You guys want 7-Eleven on the list? No, Brian.
Of course not.
Come on, here he goes. Oh, the guy that was making all that smoke didn't go up the ramp very well. That's all right. 2 more cars left, guys. He gets an A for effort. Squiggly's been banned, though. Brian banned him from the
I
list.
didn't ban him. I just took him from his original. Was not very good.
All right, last card. Are you guys ready to vote? Are you ready? Run! What do you guys think? Should we add him to the list? Oh, Brian, you gotta add the Jeep to the list.
Dude, he's got the timing, man.
All right, Brian, let's hear